No, 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 no.
Jesus! Why are you running? Why are you running?
Hey guys, hi families, welcome you all back to our channel.
Guys, we are back again with another
Mukbang video.
Guess what, guys? I said, guess what, guys? In today's video, we are going to be eating better, delicious egg, better fried egg, and fried dodo, which is also known as plantain, fried red plantain. How you are doing? Thank you for the love, thank you for the support. In case you are meeting us for the first time, it's your boy Desmond.
It's your baby get happy in the building.
You are highly
welcome.
Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Oh. So let's say great before we jump into this delicious food. Father, in the mighty name of Jesus, Father, we thank you for providing this food for us, so that you have bread for us, bread for those that don't have to eat. Any area our viewers are lacking, Father, make them at the point of their knees. And whenever we eat, let it nourish our body and soul. Whenever they eat, let it nourish their body and soul. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen.
So is it a challenge or? So what are we doing?
Today's game is pack as many as you can eat.
Pack.
Yes, you pack it. Take as many as you can eat. It's the meaning of pack or take. It's the same thing.
Okay.
Okay? As many as you can eat. So let's go.
No, 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 no.
You said I should pack as many as I can eat.
He shot you. Why are you running?
How?
Why are you running?
Here is God.
A fairly weary.
You want to see crazy?
Are you sure you can eat that?
I will try.
You and Dodo. Okay.
Jesus is Lord.
Why are you looking at me? You said everybody should try.
I hope I'm not married to a giant.
Will you keep quiet?
If I'm married to a giant, now I begin
this
the
plate
no.
is full. This plate is full, guys. No space.
How about I'm not married to a giant?
He shot
Guys?
you.
Am I married to a real human being or a giant?
How can you say that kind of thing from your mouth?
With
Have
the
you ever
history.
seen giant before?
You look like one, you look like giants. The way you are doing, the way you are eating. I say pack as many as you can eat. You just clear the whole food once. That is the way giants behave.
But it's remaining.
Look at you.
You are the one that caused it. You said I should pack. Well, then I pack.
And if you did not finish that food, then you will know who is happy. If Desmond did not finish this food, nobody should come for me or say, happy, happy, happy. No. Desmond must finish this food in the praise of everybody here today.
Really?
It's a promise.
I will soon beat someone's child.
What about if I'm full?
You will not fool.
Is it like that?
No, you will not fool.
Is it like that?
You are going to finish as guys keep watching. Desmond is going to finish this. Nobody should come for me.
I'll
Yes. Okay.
try. I'll try.
This man.
Even if I do finish it, there's no force. There's no by force.
It's a force.
Yeah, this.
Then you will know who you are married to.
Then what are you going to do to me?
You will know who you are married to. You will know. This showed me that we will check it.
A fairly weary.
You want to see crazy?
Then let me return. Let me return.
You will not return. No, eat it. You are going to eat it. Guys, keep watching. If Desmond did not finish this food, he will know the kind of woman he is married to.
Okay. Sorry. Let me return. Remove
How
the
many
plate.
times would they tell you?
I don't want
before
trouble.
you
Don't
know
dare.
that Nigeria is-
I don't want trouble. So let me return.
The trouble is already here.
Jesus is Lord.
Then let me return. I never knew it was like that.
We never knew.
mumu not too much.
Okay, I'm sorry. Let me return back some part. It was all because of the excitement.
Guys, please come and enjoy this crumbled egg and fried plantain with us.
I'm already getting full. It was just because of the excitement.
He
Please,
shot you.
I don't want trouble. So let me return some.
Continue.
Esmond,
Yes.
you will not want us to shake this social media, Sha. You want us to shake this social media. You want the whole world to know us.
I don't want the whole world to know us in a bad way. So the best, let me return some.
No, you are not returning anything.
But you are the one that said I should take as I like. Right?
I said, pack as many as you can eat. Pack it. Have I changed my word? No. I'm still remain. What I said, I'm still saying, I'm still repeating it. Pack it as many as you can eat. Take as many as you can eat. Desmond was packing it like a giant. Now chop that giant food. If he did not eat it, people will know us for this place.
But I'm already
The shirt when I wear it take cool, so I go remove the cooling one. I go wear the other one.
But I'm full already. What do you want me to do? Please, Nana, so good today.
Don't let me change my shirt, oh. Guys, please enjoy it.
I was very hungry
Yes,
before,
Mom.
but now I'm full.
No, you are not full.
I was very hungry before, for real.
Let's not start to keep eating now. Keep eating.
But I'm tired now.
Keep eating now. Face the food. If not, I'm going to change this shirt for you now. I want to remove this shirt because I plan you come. Me, I plan you come. I want to remove this shirt, so go serious now.
But I'm actually full. Sorry for.
I go remove this shirt now. Guys, I want to remove my shirt now. Desmond must eat this food. I want to take off my shirt.
But I'm.
You know what I feel do?
What have I gotten myself into? It was not your fault. We said we should look at it in the other angle. You want me to throw here? My gauge is full.
Your gauge is full. Guys, you people should talk to Desmond. I will remove this cool shirt. This one is a cool one. I will enter the other side. You know me, oh. Me, I plan you come this video today. They will know us today. I know he loved Dodo a lot, but I told him pack as you can eat. Is that not what I said?
As I'm full.
Will you keep quiet?
I cannot keep forcing myself. I'm tired.
Let's not start to eat. Only start to eat now before I
But what do you
remove
want
the
me
shirt.
to do? I'm tired now. I'm full. Please.
Start to eat now. I want to remove my shirt for you now. Start to eat. I'm removing this cloth. Oh. You know what I can do on this social media. This street of a social media, you know what I can do. I'm just trying keeping cool all the time. I will do what you don't expect to. Eat this food. Eat this food though.
Oh my God. I want to sleep. I'm tired.
You want to what?
Okay, let's settle it this way. I'll pay.
How much? You said D.
Name your price.
You are giving me 300 to replace the food.
But the food is not waste. We didn't waste it.
You didn't waste it.
No.
For doing it like this, packing it with full force. For that simple reason, you are giving me 300.
How much do you use if preparing this food that I'm not going to give 300?
Okay, you want to pay for want to buy my sweat?
300 is too much. Even if you go to the restaurants, how much will you?
What they buy my sweat? I used to prepare the food.
So your sweat is 300.
Yes, now.
300.
I go to supermarket to buy things.
It's too much, my sister. Ah, please. It's too much. At least 50 euro.
That's more. I told you that we know us on this social media. They think I'm lying.
Okay.
I will remove this shirt that I'm cool now.
Okay. 200.
250 D. Or not?
No, 250 is too much.
250.
For just egg and ripe plantain.
250.
Okay,
guys.
200.
250. You must agree to my tune. 250.
50, I don't know what to say again.
250. Let's end
100 euro. I say 100 euro.
You think you are doing comedy here?
Okay, okay, 200.
250.
Okay, remove you have my shirt first.
Agree for me first. I told you this social media will know us.
Okay.
250.
Okay, 250.
Yes, it's a D. Thank you guys so much for watching this amazing eating show.
Look at what you just did to my clothes.
Let's end the video because yes, it's a D.
Guys, you see what she did to me? Gripping my shirt like I'm going out.
I told you that I will remove my own self. I wanted to remove my own.
I never expected this.
I was really to remove my own. You know what I can do.
I never expected this. So guys, thank you so very much for staying with us up to this time.
Yo.
If you think what she did to me is fair,
it's definitely fair.
Leave your comments if you think it's fair, because I feel like crying right now. If you think it's fair, leave your comments, guys, because I can't just hold it anymore.
Look at you.
Please, if today's your first time, like seeing us for the first time, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share our video, and leave a positive comment down below. I feel like crying. And please like,
subscribe,
share,
and leave a comment down below.
So see you all in the next video. We say we love you. For the deep bottom of our heart, say bye-bye. Look at what she just did to me. Jesus. Peace out.